it's Marquesa Hobbs, Colorado Hearthstone Property, coming to you from Pikes Peak Association of Realtors downtown, where I am here volunteering for a donation drive for our friends and neighbors to the northwest of Denver who tragically just went through the Marshall fire. So that's friends out in Superior, Louisville, Broomfield, so many folks that we know. So we have a list of things that are requested, most requested, and please feel free to drop things off. We will be here Monday through Wednesday, 8 to 4, and we are sorting, organizing, boxing, and loading into a big moving truck. Thank you, community, for being so generous during this tragic time. We appreciate you. The donation drive is going so well today. Do you see this truck behind me that we're filling up? Folks in our community are just so generous and giving. Anyways, we've talked to the Red Cross, who says donations from around the state and the country are just pouring in. So they are feeling a bit overwhelmed, which is good. So we may be storing some of these things because we know the need is not going to go away overnight. So fortunately, we're able to do that. So do please feel free to continue to give so that we have a supply to pass along to them as their storage becomes available.